Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to get the voice chat on the Roblox. So many people are searching about it. So how you can get this feature, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to log into your Roblox account. And once you will do it, on the right top, you will see a setting icon. Just click on it and click on the settings from here. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the account info, and right here you will see verify my age. Simply you have to click on it, and after that you have to prepare a valid ID and use a smartphone to confirm your age. Once you will do it, after that in the privacy, you will find out this feature. Simply you have to turn on that toggle on to use the features of the voice chat. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you.